channel. This is Geek and Son. Take 2. Hi there, welcome to Geek and Son. Today I'm going to be grinding on the 69 Charger's taillight panel and around that area, trying to get that all smoothed out. Here we go. Hello. As you can see, I'm wearing shorts and I don't know if you can see. Got the old Chevy hat on, safety glasses to be safe. This has been a year's project. I'm not an expert at this. I'm just doing it because it's fun. I'm about to grind some of these welds off. The part that has really stuck me for years is this. Maybe not years, but a year. These corner pieces, they don't fit quite right. And so I would stop and I would quit. And so don't feel bad if you're doing something similar. You got to just, as one of my friend's son said, yeah, friend's son, it's just metal. Grind it, weld it, reshape it, hammer it. It's just metal. Don't be scared. You really can't mess it up. I mean, I guess you could if you just took a cutting wheel to it, which I have. I cut this entire back of this car off. Trunk floors. One of the trunk, well, both the trunk extensions. The wheelhouse, outer wheelhouse on the driver's side, both quarters, both front fenders. I have a new trunk lid, I have new doors, I have everything, new hood. This car will be really, really nice when I'm done, but it's just taking a lot longer than I thought. I bought it 4 years ago, and I didn't realize it was 4 years ago until the post up on Facebook. 4 years ago. Ew. Yeah, on my Facebook page. So yes, I'm old, I do Facebook. By the way, I'm Geek. Son is not here if you're watching Geek and Son. Son is here, but not in the house right now. He's in the house right now. Because, you know, he really can't help with his grinding. He usually does a lot of the, if you look in the previous videos, he cut out the rocker on the driver's side. And again, we're not professionals. We're just trying to figure this out as we went. We tried with a little cutting wheel and a bigger one, a small, I mean, anything just to see if it works. It's a rainy day here in Geekland, but I'm going to get to it. I'm going to start grinding, so there won't be any sound other than maybe the music, and you'll watch me grind. And maybe I'll do it in fast motion so it'll go all the way across, which if that was me would be awesome because then I would have it done. Main port is here. I had to cut a piece out right here, and I know this is a hack job. Don't send me the comments. This is my dress, by the way. You know, like this welding dress. Helps the sparks stay off my legs. It's getting fogged up. So I cut this right here in order to make it level with this corner piece. I know, hack job, but it wasn't going to fit any other way. So you don't need to tell me. I know. I wasn't looking forward to it. That's what stalled me for so long. Why am I wearing the Chevy hat when I'm working on a Mopar? Because I like Chevys. I also like Mopar. I also like, you know, whatever. I like Lamborghinis. Doesn't mean I can't wear a Chevy hat. So let's get to this. Find a little grinder here. Here 'tis. I'm not going to advertise to these people. What they give me? Nothing. Okay, good. I'm just going to start grinding away. Put your ear protection on if you're listening. noisy sucker. Start grinding some more. And that's what it is. Let's grind well, grind well. My goal is to get all these little spot welds, plug welds, smooth by, well, this weekend. I'd like to say today, but I'm already under an hour. An hour? Yeah, an hour. That's really dumb. I will summer to do it. Now that we got summer, I might actually do that. Oh, yeah, motivation words. Let's try this again. And action. Here we are back at Geek and Son Garage. Son has just come home. I'd like to introduce you to Son. Son! Come and introduce yourself to the fans. All 9 of them. Gonna be doing some more grinding. Made a lot of progress right here. But the darn air compressor keeps losing its oomph. So I'm actually looking at another used one online, and hopefully that'll help, because I mean, I can keep switching between electric and air, but it's super annoying. And when I get in the mood to work, I want to be able to work. I'm sure you know how that is. So, really grind.